Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the value of A so that the volume of a parallelopipe formed by the vector this, and this becomes minimum. So, you want volume to be minimum. Okay. So, we have to think about either application of derivative or we should think about AMGM HM idea. Okay, so for this question we need little bit of understanding about application of differentiation and the AMGM HM of sequence and series. Okay, let's proceed. So first we will try to find out the volume of a parallelopipe. You know that for volume we should focus on scalar triple product, means box product, and then we will be writing the coefficient of I, j and k of first vector. So 1 a 1 0 1 a 0 1. So we will find out the determinant of this thing. So it is 1 time 1 minus 0 minus a time 0 minus a square plus 1 time 0 minus a. Let's simplify things. So 1 plus a cube minus a. So we got a cube minus a plus 1. So we got a function in a. Okay. We need to find out the value of a for which this f of a is the maximum. Now, suppose that you know the room in which function is increasing. Okay. So can you find out the room in which function is decreasing? Correct. So for increasing decreasing, we should go with first order differentiation greater than 0 or smaller than 0. So first we will go with first order differentiation. So it is f dash a. So it is 3 times a square minus 1. Now if we will do this f dash a greater than equal to 0, we will get the rooms in which function is increasing. And if we got the rooms in which function is increasing, that means in remaining room function is decreasing, and we want minimum. Look at this. So can I write down this thing as root 3a? Wait, I'll copy paste first and then I'll go with simplification. So can I go with root 3a plus 1 and root 3a minus 1 greater than equal to 0? Okay, so can I say that we got two values of a, minus of 1 by root 3 plus of 1 by root 3. In this room function is positive, negative, positive. This means in this room function is increasing because we are interested in positive. Okay, in this room it is decreasing, in this room it is increasing. Now we want what? Minimum. So function will what? Increase, 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 then it will hit maximum at this point. Means if you want to find out the maximum value volume, you should go with minus of 1 by root 3, and then it will degrade and it will reach certain value at 1 by 3 at the minimum, and then again it will grow. So for minimum we should focus on 1 by root 3. Okay, so the value of a for which the function will produce minimum is 1 by root 3. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.